Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and these are your teasers which you can expect for this week on Sibongile and the Dlaminis. On Monday the 25th of November 2024, Vuma seeks Ntombela's blessing to marry Samke, but Ntombela refuses to guide his sister into a perilous future. In a heartfelt reunion, Sibongile and Kwenzo reflect on their parents, hinting that the world is now ready for them. Sis Mavis engages in a candid conversation with Nomfundo. Then on Tuesday, the 26th of November, Njengaya must yet again choose between Nomfundo and Phetheni. Zama catches Velepi's motives for being around. Which one of them will be heartbroken? Vuma finally gets the blessing to marry Samke, but it comes at a price. Then Wednesday, the 27th of November, even though Phetheni is around, Nomfundo is on Njengaya's mind. The plan for Wenzeni and Themba seems to be working. Meanwhile, love is blooming for Vuma and Samke. Guys, mina bengitheni, I knew ukuthi Njengaya bringing Nomfundo on this trip is going to backfire, guys. And like, how is Nomfundo like on Njengaya's mind? Hey, guys, Njengaya, like at this point he just needs to marry Nomfundo because like ayizusebenza lento. I don't know if uPhetheni uzovuma, guys, but these women will forever be fighting one another because Nomfundo, she wants the respect of being a side chick and she gave birth to a son for him, and then this time uPhetheni is like, ayibo wena isebenzisam leso, so she'll always be beneath me. So he needs to rectify this, guys. Uvuma again, I feel sorry for him because I thought Samke was the right woman for him, guys. Angazi. I just hope she doesn't do the same things with Diliu was doing to Uvuma edlala ngaye. But already udlala ngaye because she made Uvuma fight with Ulokuzana Khuzwayo because of lies, guys. So Uvuma ngimazi ukuthi maybe mela thandaze, guys, aqinise umthandazo because why yena nje woman nje who are just not right nje hlezi like they by his side. He needs to shintsha umthandazo wakhe or something because Vuma. Anyway, it seems like, guys, there's hope for Usibongile and Ukwenja, and it looks like this time around they are willing to fight for their love. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.